Good evening po. I'm glad to be here tonight. Forgive me if I'm a bit nervous. So first off, I'd like to especially thank my family and friends who are here. I have friends po from college pa. I have friends from the States who are here, and my parents are here and my sister. I see new faces din po, and I'm always grateful for the possibility to make new friends. My name is Victoria Singan Nugid, and Igorota po ako from Benguet. Hindi po ako marunong masyadong mag-Tagalog, medyo baluktot, pero pag Ilocano po, pwede po. So, yun. So, mag-English na lang po ako for everybody's sake. I left home for the first time as a college freshman. Graduate po ako ng UP Los Baños. And then after graduation, nag-work ako for the government. And then I followed God's call to the seminary. I'm sorry, I forgot my first discipler po, si Ate Lizette Fermantes po. Night. Okay, so I met my husband sa seminary and we got married. We moved to Maryland and we've been living in Maryland for the past 10 years. My husband and I decided that we really wanted to make sure na our children grow up in the Lord. So we made a decision na siya po yung mag-work and then I stay home to take care of the kids. At the same time, freelance writer po ako for Lifeway Christian Resources in Nashville. Glory and Majesty po, God's signature on the Philippine Islands came about through an email I sent to Pastor Nathan Montenegro. You see, I had just come back from a writer's conference for an assignment at Lifeway Christian Resources in Nashville, Tennessee, and I was very impressed with what they do. Yung heart ko po for the youth, and I write youth curriculum materials for them, na nakita ko po yung focus on the youth talaga, yung they pour as much as yung resources nila to reach out to the youth. So when I got back to Maryland, nag-email po ako kay Pastor Nathan asking what CSM does. And then he shared with me yung vision for a devotional based on God's creation. So that email led to a conversation that in turn gave birth to this book. See, Pastor Nathan said he had been praying for a writer. And I was really, really happy to be the answer to his prayer. I caught the vision of what he wanted to accomplish, and I was totally privileged to become a part of CSM's concept of a devotional that was based on the natural beauty of my home country. I have no doubt you would agree with me when I say that the Philippines, this beautiful country we call home, is the perfect display of God's creative power. I also saw what is now Glory and Majesty as a unique opportunity to share what God has been teaching me thus far in my walk with Him. There is so much more to a beautiful sunset or a flawless pearl. As awe-inspiring as our natural resources are, we reach a dead end if we do not connect yung nakikita po natin sa Creator. It always goes back to God. It doesn't matter kung how much you appreciate nature. If you do not find a way to see God through it, it doesn't matter. So yun po yung main passion ko while I was writing this book. It is my attempt to help us all see beyond nature to the Creator God. And mostly, I wanted to encourage everybody to fall in love with Him. It was, from the very start, a goal that was way over my head. But it happened because the Holy Spirit can use anybody, even one such as I. I was listening to a sermon by Dr. David Jeremiah. He talked about the late J. Vernon McGee and how the good preacher's desire was to keep making a difference for God even after his death. And then he shared how that too was his desire and how he hoped his recorded sermons would keep telling people about Jesus even after he went home. All the gifts I have been given, both as an artist and as a writer, I have put into Glory and Majesty. With this book, I join these good men of God in their desire to share Jesus in every way possible. So please buy a copy or two or more, and let's keep the conversation going. I blog at abbotvictoria.com. Nasa back ng book yung link. And yeah, please visit, reflect, comment, and let's keep talking. Before I leave the stage, I wanted to acknowledge yung other writer po of the book. Sam is right here tonight. Please stand. Yeah, okay. So thank you for your time.